Today we are making the easiest scarf ever. Alright, so here it is. We need a long tube and that's all we need to have. We will stitch the sides together and we'll do it all on the Addi. We're gonna start from the first black tooth. We'll go under it and every other tooth will get yarn. So we go back and forth. So we can skip a tooth and we can put some yarn in the every other one. And make sure you don't skip a stitch. And we're almost at the beginning. Okay. And the black teeth are coming. And there we are. We start here. I will zero my counter and we can start. Alright, so I'm gonna tuck the beginning. And there, now it's much smoother. So here I am at the last round. I decided to stop here. So when I come to that black markings, I had to go ahead and use a Sharpie and mark those beginning 3 black teeth, because when they're inside the machine, I cannot see them that that's the beginning. So this way I know. And so I'm gonna cut a little bit of a longer end, and I will use my needle. You can use the needle that comes with the machine as well, but I find this one very easy to use because it's curved and I can scoop my stitches out. All right, so I open this and now I can just release the teeth, and now I'll be able to pick all the stitches here. That first one, the second, and after a few stitches it will get easier to pick them up. So here it is. You can definitely make it longer here for the sake of this tutorial. I'm gonna keep it a little bit shorter just to show you the steps. So alright, here is my tube, and I will make sure that the end of my tail is here at the edge, and then I'll try to make that edge straight so it also, the other end of the tail also shows up here. All right, so I will start from the opposite direction of the end to close my tube, and it's gonna be a very easy thing to do. So I'll grab the stitch, not the connecting yarn here, but just the stitch, and then I'll grab the corresponding stitch on the other side. Maybe this is too thick. Let's see if I can find a thinner one. Maybe this one will work. Okay. So we're gonna grab that first stitch and then the opposite stitch. So we'll thread those stitches into each other. So we have that one sitting on the hook. Then we'll grab again from the left side. We'll grab that stitch and then we'll slip it through that previous loop again. So we have the new stitch here, and then we'll go on the opposite side and we'll pull that first yarn that we threaded for the cast on, so we can find that stitch. So we will get the stitch, also pull it through the one that we have on the hook, then we go on the opposite side, we find the next stitch and we pull it through our loop sitting on the hook. And then all right, so here is my row. All the tube is all closed. That's the reason I wanted to use that last stitch here to lock it in place so it doesn't run away. So I'll just pull it back to the edge here, and it's gonna be waiting for me when I start connecting the ends together. So when I finish with that side, I'll do the same thing here. We will use them, we'll overlap them like this, and then we will sew this end to this side and this end of the tube to this side, and our end result will be this type of scarf. Of course, you have to make more rows for that one, but that's how we'll do it. All right,